Welcome to my YouTube channel Amarjeet Kulu, the easiest and interesting way to learn maths. If your knowledge is increasing, don't forget to subscribe my channel so that you can receive notification of my latest YouTube videos. You are also requested to like, share and write comments so that I can always remember you. Look at the diagram before you. Sky color arrow for like my YouTube video, green for going to my channel, blue for writing comments, yellow for sharing my YouTube video, while red for subscribing my channel if you didn't subscribe yet. Today's topic is math quiz on integer. Before starting quiz, let's understand basic rules of solving integer sums. In case of addition and subtraction of two integers, first put sign of bigger term. Second, A. Keep it in mind that if both numbers have same sign, do addition. For example, in minus minus and plus plus case, in that case just add both numbers. B. If there are different signs like plus minus or minus plus, then do subtraction. Now in case of multiplication, first do multiplication, second count minus sign. If it comes odd times, that is minus sign is in 1 time, 3 time, 5 time, 7 times and so on, then put minus sign before the result. If minus sign is even time, that is 2, 4, 6 and so on, then put plus sign before the result or your result will be a positive number. Similarly in division, first divide both the numbers, second count minus sign. A. If it is only in one time, then put minus sign before the result. B. If it is two times, then your result will be a positive number. One more thing you need to keep it in mind, that if minus sign is outside the bracket, then change the sign after opening the bracket, but if it is positive sign, then no need to do so. Now regarding quiz, after appearing each question you will have 4 options before you. You have to solve the sum in your mind and think the answer. After some time, I'll tell you the answer and explain thereon. Without wasting much time, let's start the quiz. Here's the first question before you. Question 1. Minus 3 plus 4. 4 options are before you. First 7, second 1, third minus 7, fourth 0. Think the right answer, solve in your mind. Minus 3 plus 4. Second option is correct. Answer is 1. First we need to put sign of greater term. 4 is greater, so answer should be positive. Second, both numbers have different signs, so we need to subtract. After subtracting, answer is 1. Next question. Minus 9 plus 4. 4 options are before you. Choose the right one. If you are thinking second options, it is wrong. Minus 13 is wrong. Correct is minus 5. Third option, we need to put sign of greater term, and second, as both numbers have different signs, so we subtract. After subtracting, answer is minus 5. Question third. Minus 9 minus 4. 4 options. Second option is correct. Let me explain. First, we need to put sign of greater term. 9 is greater, so answer should be negative. Both numbers have same sign, so we need to add. 9 plus 4 gives 13. So minus 13 is the correct answer. Let's move to the next question. Question 4. Minus 3 plus 8. Choose the correct answer. Option 3 is correct. Answer should be 5. Why? Let's understand. First, we need to put sign of greater term. 8 is greater, so answer should be positive. As both numbers have different sign, so we need to subtract. After subtracting, answer should be 5. Question 5. Minus 9, minus 4, minus 2. 4 options. Second option will be correct. Why? Let's understand. As first we need to put sign of greater term. 9 is the greatest one. As all the three numbers have same sign, so we should add. After adding, answer will be minus 15. Next question. Minus 7, minus 8. Second option is correct. Minus 15. We need to focus on sign of greater term. 8 is greater, so answer will be negative. As both numbers have same sign, after adding 15 comes out, sign negative, so answer will be minus 15. Next question. Question 7. Plus 9 plus 4. It's the easiest one. Fourth option is correct. 13. Same sign. Just add both the numbers. After adding, 13 comes out. Question 8. 3 minus 2 minus 1. Focus on same sign. Minus 2 minus 1. Result will be minus 3. Now we have 3 minus 3. Now total result is 0. So first option is correct, while other options are wrong. Change over. Next question. Question 9. Plus 4 minus 4 minus 2. Now again focus on this same sign. Minus 4 minus 2 gives you minus 6. Now plus 4 minus 6. Think. Fourth option is right. Plus 4 minus 6 gives you minus 2. So fourth option is the correct one. Next, change over. Question 10. Minus 9 minus 4 plus 2. Now again concentrate on minus 9 minus 4. Minus 9 minus 4 gives you minus 13, and minus 13 plus 2, the result will be minus 11. Second option is correct, while other options are wrong. Let's move to the next question. Question 11. Minus 3 minus within bracket minus 4. 4 options. First of all, you need to think of opening the bracket. As minus sign is outside the bracket, after opening the bracket, it comes out plus 4. So minus 3 plus 4. Result will be 1 as sign of greater term. And both numbers have different sign, minus 3 plus 4. So we need to subtract. 4 minus 3 will give you 1. Now question 12. Minus 3 plus within bracket minus 8. First think of opening the bracket. As plus sign is outside the bracket, there will be no change in sign. So minus 3 minus 8. It will give you minus 11. Third option is correct while other options are wrong. Minus 3 minus 8 will give you minus 11 as both numbers have same sign. After adding, it will give you 11 as sign of greater term. So minus 11. Minus 11 will be the right answer. Next, question 13. Minus within bracket plus 9 minus within bracket plus 4. 4 options. First of all, you need to think of opening the bracket. Minus is outside the bracket, so minus 9 minus 4. Now minus 9 minus 4 will give you minus 13. Second option is correct while other options are wrong. Next, change over. Question 14. Minus within bracket minus 3 minus within bracket minus 2. 4 options are before you. Again think of opening the bracket as minus sign is outside the brackets, so change the signs. Minus gives plus, then plus 3 plus 2 will give you 5. First option will be right. Next question, question 15. Plus within bracket plus 4 minus within bracket minus 4. 4 options. After opening the bracket, we will have 4 plus 4. It will give you 8. Fourth option is correct while other options are wrong. Next, change over. Question 16. Now multiplication sums. Minus 3 multiply minus 4. Second option is correct as we need to count negative sign. Negative sign are in 2 times, so positive sign, so 3 4s are 12. Second option is correct. If negative sign comes even times, then put positive sign before the answer, that is your answer should be positive. Next question, question 17. Minus 3 multiply 8. It's easy one. Third is correct as minus sign is in odd time. After multiplying, it will give you minus 24. Third option is correct. Next changeover. Question 18. Again minus 9 multiply minus 8. Which is the correct one? As minus sign is even times, so answer will be positive. 9 8s are 72. Third option is correct. Let's move to the next question. Question 19. Minus 4 multiply minus 4 multiply minus 1. Four options are before you. First we need to count negative signs. Minus sign is in 3 times, so answer should be negative. 4 4s are 16, so answer will be minus 16. Next, question 20. 12 divided by minus 2. Four options are before you. Answer should be negative, as minus sign is only in one time. After dividing, 6 will comes out, so after putting sign, answer will be minus 6. 6 to the 12. Minus is only one time, so minus 6 will be the answer. First option is right. Next changeover. Question 21. Minus 12 divided by minus 4. Choose the correct one. As minus sign is even times, so answer will be a positive number. After dividing, we will have 3. Correct answer is the third option. That's all. Thanks for watching my YouTube video. I expect and appreciate your continued support for the future. I'll meet you on the next YouTube video. Till then, bye.